Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elia Esparza and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. I'm super excited for today's video. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this exact hairstyle using FHI's Heat Pro Ceramic 1-inch curler. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe and let's get this video started so I can show you guys how I got my hair like this. So the temperature does go from 250 degrees to 450 depending on your hair. I do have thicker hair, so I tend to always do it around 350, 400, but today we're gonna do the 450 just to really get that tight curl. Also, because it's ceramic, it's not gonna give you that like frizzy look, especially if you have damaged hair. And I do dye my hair and put a lot of heat to it, so I like to use tools that only help me in my situation. I always like to part my hair in 2 sections, sometimes 3 if I'm like really being diligent, and then just brush through it. I did wash it today, so she is like fresh. So basically I'm going to go halfway and then bring it up before doing the rest of my hair, and then I will kind of let it go and then do the second half of my hair. Obviously if you have shorter hair you don't have to do this, but I just feel like it gives like the whole strand of hair a curl, if that makes sense. And then I'll basically repeat that through my whole hair. I'm trying not to get too big of chunks of hair because, and if I want that tighter curl, like it's not gonna give what I need it to give. So halfway, roll up, hold it a couple seconds. It does get hot really, really quick, so that's nice. And then see how I kind of leave the end out just a little bit. Make sure not to give it that like super curl unless that's what you want, but I like to give it like a little bit of a straighter end. So then that's how it turns out. And then once I like brush it out, it'll all make sense. I have pretty long hair, but this is perfect for my short hair girls too. Like if you just need something quick to give that Carrie Bradshaw look. Do you guys remember when she had that like super short haircut? I feel like with this kind of tool, that'd be perfect for that look. We have this side done. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair on this side, but I'm not going to untangle it yet. Like I'm not gonna run my fingers through it because it's still a little hot. So you wanna wait till your hair is actually like cool to the touch before you run your fingers through it. But look, that looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, exciting. So now I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun once the full look is done. I'm gonna look like I have naturally curly hair. All of my hair is done. I didn't do my bangs because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the full-blown curly swirlies on them, but I am gonna run my fingers through my hair, and I love this. I feel like it gives like a really big voluminous look, and it's giving me life right now. So of course you gotta do a hair flip. And this is what my hair looks like with no extra product, like no spray, no volumizer, nothing like that. It's so cute. Like, I feel like it's giving like island girl summer vibes. I really love how like light and airy my hair feels, and it's still like glossy, you know what I mean? It doesn't give that like crunchy burned hair look, which is incredible, and I feel like really hard to find because so many hair curlers like obviously damage your hair because of the heat, but this is like, my hair is super smooth and I feel like each curl is like really, really defined, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I feel like, I kind of feel like Carrie Bradshaw. Should we do the bangs? Maybe we should. Maybe I won't do the full, I'll just do like a light kind of hold on them. Nothing crazy, really light. Like held for 2.5 seconds. Especially for summer, or if you're going on vacation, it's giving like effortless, big curls, volume. It's giving all the vibes. So you can find this curling iron at Target. I will also link it down below if you guys want to order it, try it out, check it out for yourselves. And I love FHI Heat. I have so many of their products and so many of their tools, and they work amazingly. I mean, and they work really, really well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts, opinions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, love you.